Hey everyone, Leslie this side from Dollarlabs team. In this video, this is going to be a special video. We're going to be covering how you can set up price lists and on your collection page, right? So price list is something that allows you to set up different discounts or different prices for different customer segments, right? So how do you show that final price, the final discounted price on your collection page? So we're going to be covering that section. So let me just show you exactly what I mean. So here's a help article where we have detailed guide walking you through how you can do this. But there's no video of this yet, and I thought recording a video will be super helpful for us, right? Just to run through all the use cases, basically, right? So here, let's start with this itself. So very simply, first thing is that you would need to copy this code, which I will be sharing in a link on the YouTube video, right? And you can just create a new snippet by going to your files in your theme, go to snippets and click this button, add file button. Name it whatever you want. I've named it $labs-price.liquid, and I've just pasted this. Now, the second thing you need to do is you need to figure out how your collection page or your suggested products are being rendered, right? So for me, on my theme, it's very straightforward. I'll go here, I'll check for card content or card information, and I'll copy that class and paste it into my search. Now here I have a few things, right? One is main search.liquid. This looks like it is just uh, the search results. That's okay. I don't want anything to do with it. There's another called article card. Doesn't look like the thing that I need. And here it looks like it's a card collection, but I don't know if this is where we render price. There's nothing called price. We're not rendering price at all. So now the last place we're going to look at is here, where we are going to search for price. And here you see that there is actually a bit of information related to the price. Now I'll just go through each of these and see where it is being rendered. So you might have it like this. Here is my original code, right? Where it's like render price, right? So it will basically call another file to render it. So the suggested approach is to just comment this out and then copy this code that we have and add that over to your theme, right? So, and that should do everything. That should basically solve for everything. There's also one more approach if you want to just replace your price as well. So you can either do this, or the alternative is that you can just uncomment this and head over to price.liquid, command P, search for it, price.liquid. I've commented out everything in the price.liquid and I've replaced that with the $labs price. So just same snippet that you see over there, just copied here as well, without the bits for if they're not logged in, right? So right now we're not handling that case. If you want, you can just copy the entire thing and add it here, but for this demonstration I'm not adding that over here. So now I have set up the price list here, which is basically that if I am a VIP customer and if I'll get 10% off on these products from the final price, that is from the price that is set on Shopify, right? I'll get 10% off. So you can see that hydrogen, liquid and oxygen, they get 10% off. And the other product, this is basically the compared price as it is on Shopify. So if a product is not discounted, it'll just pull the compared price directly from Shopify and show that there. So yeah, that's just how straightforward it is. It doesn't use any liquid, so you won't notice any flickering. It's instant to load, doesn't slow down your theme at all. So you can see how fast it loads. It's just purely instant. So that's a quick guide on how you can do this. But you can also just like do this as well and remove. You can just be safe as well here, that you don't want to replace the entire price and you just want to replace this one. That is also doable, right? So if you want to show signing interview prices, you can do that as well. It's all up to you. So if you want to do that, that also will work. Here I have set it up not to show the same variable is being used, right? $labs price, but in this case I'm not passing show compared prices, right? So I'll just add that here, this variable, and I'll just say show original price equal to true, and let's say this one is also true. So now if I reload that particular page, you'll see that it renders it just the same way. No difference between this and that. It's just that I have set up some custom logic here, but you can do it this way or the other way. If you find this a little bit too daunting for your taste, and if you don't want to do this way, we can take a look at it for you. We do it for all our merchants, so that you can rest assured everything is handled professionally and neatly, right? It just matches your theme, and there'll be no issues. So if you want us to have a look, please email us at support@dollarlabs.io, or even like reach out to us on chat, and we should be able to help you out. I'll make sure all of these snippets are available on the YouTube video directly, so you can just simply copy paste. But if you get stuck anywhere, or if you run into any issues, and if your theme is not how mine is, right? Because every theme is different, everybody writes the theme logic slightly differently. So just want to make sure that if you find that having issues, if you end up having issues, right, just feel free to reach out to us. No issues at all. We'll be definitely able to help you. Say hi to Coco, everybody. All right. Bye bye.